Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A34, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna mention that you can also do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know, which I have a pattern set specifically for that reason, just so I can showcase this. But to get started, you would need to just hold your power button. No, let's try that again. The screen, oh, there we go. As you can see, it's a little bit finicky. So immediately once you wake up the device, start holding power button. Ignore Google if it comes up. Select power off from the options and wait for the device to turn off. Now once the screen turns black, just give it like solid 5 more seconds before you start holding power button and volume up at the same time. So once you start holding these two buttons, in a moment you will see that ZTE logo like this one, at which point you want to let go of the power button but keep holding volume up, and this will redirect us to the recovery mode, which you can see right now. It's barely visible, but at least we can see the selected options, which right now is reboot system now. We can navigate down using volume down, while volume up will obviously go up. So with that in mind, scroll down and select wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it using your power button. Next select factory data reset the same way, confirm it also, and at the bottom you'll see very quickly data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power button once again and this will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now because it is still continuing that reset, it will take the phone a little bit longer to boot back up, so don't worry, this is completely normal while the reset is going through. Once it's finished, we'll have our setup screen, so I'll come back once that is visible on my device. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.